Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Juply. I am an expert in Google Ad suspensions and circumventing systems policy. So yesterday, being the 26th of March 2023, I was helping out a client. If you remember, the Google ads were being disapproved for malicious software, compromised site, and I'm pleased to say that it's no longer, as you can see, let me refresh the screen, it's no longer compromised. Let me get my emails up, just tell you what happened in relation to this. Um, Let me just get rid of this phone call. Someone's calling me. Let me decline the call. Sorry about that. So yeah, so what happened? We spoke to Google. They actually sent us an email today. Let me get the email up. Give me a second. I've got so many windows open. What's going on here? Hold on. I have to move this out of the way. Where's the email that came in from Google today? So basically, what happened? Here we go. They actually sent me an email to say they yesterday they approved it, and they made a mistake. Um, they actually, so what happened? The website was on like a naughty list or a blacklist or whatever you want to call it, and they actually un they removed the label from the wrong website, which is ridiculous. Um, so the ads per multiple policy belong to a different campaign with a separate domain name. So they forwarded it to the team and they removed it. Even though yesterday, if you look at the email from yesterday, let me find the email from yesterday. They how can they? This is what frustrates me. They put in the email that they remove the label from that domain name. So, it's just it is incompetence. That's all I can decide. It's absolutely beyond belief that I get an email from Google, right, a multi-billion-dollar company, and say, "Yep, okay, we've approved your ad," and the other guy says, "Oh no, we made a mistake. We either removed it from a different domain name, or we untagged a different website." But anyway, the point is we've got the ads running. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. So if your ads are being, disapproved for compromised site, if you need it fixed, reach out to me. My fees start as little as, $1,000, 1,000 US dollars to get this done. It's not an easy task. It's not. It really is not. We have to find if it really is compromised. In this case, it wasn't, but if it is compromised, what's the code causing it? Get you to remove the code, um, and get it fixed. So happy to help you guys if you need me. All right, take care. Don't stress.